Ever looked in the mirror after a sunny beach day and thought, wow, I look like a tomato with regrets? Yeah, sunburn hurts. But what if I told you the real damage starts even when you don't burn? Most people think, if I'm not sunburned, I'm fine. But here's the truth no one talks about. The sun ages your skin silently, every single day, even indoors. UVA rays pass through clouds, through windows, and even through your car windshield. It's like a sneaky villain, slowly stealing your glow. Don't believe me? NASA literally protects astronauts from UV rays in space. Because yes, even up there, the sun's invisible radiation damages human skin. If space agencies take it seriously, maybe we should too. In this video, we're going to unpack how sunlight breaks your skin down cell by cell and how you can protect and even reverse some of the damage, whether you're 25 or 55. Let's get into it. You probably know that UVB rays are the ones that give you a sunburn. But did you know they only make up 5% of UV rays reaching your skin? The real culprit for premature aging is UVA, A for aging. These rays go deeper, breaking down collagen and elastin, the scaffolding that holds your skin up. UVA rays don't care if it's sunny, cloudy, summer or winter. They're always there, and worst of all, they go right through glass. So yes, sitting by a sunny window or driving during the day means you're soaking up skin aging radiation. That's why dermatologists often notice that the left side of the face, the driver's side, has more wrinkles and sun damage. Years of silent exposure while commuting. Wild, right? To protect yourself, use sunscreen labeled broad spectrum. That means it blocks both UVA and UVB. Go for SPF 30 at minimum. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors, or more often if you're sweating or swimming. Now let's talk about what's really happening under the surface when the sun hits your skin. When UV light hits your cells, it creates free radicals, unstable, angry molecules that attack everything. Collagen, elastin, even DNA. Think of them as tiny chaos gremlins wrecking your skin's foundation. Over time, that chaos leads to wrinkles, pigmentation changes, and in the worst case, skin cancer. That's where antioxidants come in. These are your body's cleanup crew. Vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid, green tea. All of them work like firefighters putting out inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies show that consistent vitamin C use can brighten skin, even tone, and reduce long-term damage by over 60% in just 12 weeks. So if you don't already use a vitamin C serum in the morning, add it. Your skin will thank you. Now let's talk about collagen. If your skin is a mattress, collagen is the springs. UV rays break those springs down. And when that happens, your skin starts to lose bound, firmness, and volume. That leathery, wrinkled look some people get in their 40s and 50s, that's often sun-related collagen damage. Even worse, your body stops producing collagen as fast after your mid-20s. So the sun is accelerating a process that's already naturally slowing down. The solution? Retinoids, like retinol, tretinoin, or retinaldehyde. These are vitamin A derivatives that boost collagen production, speed up skin cell turnover, and reduce wrinkles. Start slow, 2 or 3 nights a week. Always follow with a good moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Your skin will shed dull layers and rebuild stronger ones underneath. Let's not forget about pigmentation. Ever wonder why some people develop brown patches, uneven tone, or random freckles as they age? That's your skin trying to defend itself from UV by producing more melanin. But melanin isn't perfect. It clumps up in some places and leaves others exposed. The result? Sunspots, age spots, and blotchy skin. To even out your skin tone, look for ingredients like niacinamide, licorice extract, or alpha-arbutin. They're brightening agents that help reduce overproduction of pigment without bleaching your natural tone. Now let's get into something people always underestimate: sunburn. Sunburn isn't just skin turning red. It's a full-blown immune response. Your body sees the damage and rushes blood, enzymes, and immune cells to the area to fix your broken DNA. And the peeling, that's not just dry skin. It's your body shedding damaged cells that could potentially mutate or become cancerous. Sunburn is your skin screaming, please don't do this again. And yes, it only takes one bad sunburn before age 18 to double your risk of melanoma later in life. Think about that the next time someone says, I just need a base tan. So how do you protect your skin like a pro? Start with broad spectrum SPF 50. higher SPF offers better protection, especially if you're fair-skinned or using retinoids. Use UPF-rated clothing if you're out hiking, swimming, or working outdoors. Wide-brimmed hats and UV-blocking sunglasses do more than block glare. They actually prevent crow's feet and dark circles from getting worse. Pro tip: shade can reduce UV exposure by up to 50%, so if you can walk on the shaded side of the street or sit under an umbrella. What about if the damage is already done? Here's your rescue team. Vitamin C plus E in the morning, retinoids at night, moisturizers to rebuild your skin barrier. If you want to take it further, consult a dermatologist about treatments like chemical peels, laser resurfacing, or microdermabrasion. They can accelerate results, but they're not miracle fixes. Prevention still beats correction. Indoor light damage. Yup, blue light from screens, phones, laptops, LED bulbs can also damage skin over time. While it's nowhere near as strong as UV, it contributes to pigmentation, dullness, and even inflammation. Many modern sunscreens now include iron oxides or antioxidant blends to protect from indoor light as well. If you work long hours in front of a screen, consider upgrading your SPF. So let's sum it up. The sun, it's your best friend and worst enemy. It gives life, but it can steal your glow. You don't need to hide indoors forever. You just need to be smart. Protect your skin with sunscreen, smart clothing, antioxidants, and shade. Sunburn is literally your skin cells dying in agony. You only get one skin, and it's your longest relationship. Treat it like a VIP. If this helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with that one friend who still thinks sunscreen is optional. Stay safe, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.